Hello students, today we'll see an assignment to perform operations on string. We have seen earlier what is meant by a string. String is a collection of characters. Now on that collection of character, on that word, on that string, what operations you can perform are like length of a string reversal, equality check, palindrome and substring. Now we'll see the first one, what is meant by length of a string. You have to calculate how many number of characters are there inside string. That is nothing but the length of string. String reversal. Whatever string you will be entered as input, that you have to print in reverse direction. Okay, so that is string reversal. Equality check. You have to give two strings as input and you have to check whether that both strings are equal or not. Palindrome. What is mean by palindrome? The string entered by you should be read same from the starting position and also from the last position. Suppose I am having the string as assignment. If I start reading that string from the first point, it is starting from the A, and whenever I am start reading it from the last position, it is from T. So they are not matching. So that string will not be palindrome. If I considered a string as madam, M-A-D-A-M, if I start that string reading from the first position, it will be madam. If you will start reading it from the last position, again it will give you the same pronunciation, that madam. So that type of string can be said as a palindrome. So you have to check whether the string entered by you is palindrome or not. And the last is substring. Okay, so what is meant by substring? You have to enter a string, and if you want to check that whether a particular variable or a particular word is a part of your string. Okay, so it is nothing but the substring. You have heard the concept of set and subset. So सबसेट किसको बोलते हैं? सबसेट में जो एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं वही एलिमेंट अगर आपके मेन सेट में प्रेजेंट है, so that another set is said to be as a subset of the main set. Likewise, whatever character or whatever word you are giving for the second time is the part of the string, then that part is said to be as a substring. So we'll start with the program. I have written a user defined function. As a user defined function, start with the keyword def, stands for definition. My name of function is main. I have not written any parameter as the parameters are optional. If you want to mention them, you can. If you don't want to mention them, it is not necessary. They are optional. To end this line, you have to mention the colon. Now, before performing operation on this string, first you have to accept this string. So I have taken this string as input, enter a string, and I am storing this string in a variable s. Operations that I want to perform, I want to display them in a menu list. So first length, I want the second option on the next line, so /n2 /n3 and so on. Okay, now out of this operation, which operation you have to perform will be the user choice, will be the my choice. So that choice should be inside a variable again. So choice equal to int input, enter your choice. Now see the difference between this input line and this first input line. Here I have not prefixed this one with the int. Why? Because the string is of character type, it will not have any integer value, so I have not prefixed it with the int. And in case of choice, I will enter the choice as first, second, third, fourth and so on. So that choice will be in the integer format, so I am prefixing it with the int. Okay, so we'll see the next. Now whatever operations I want to perform, that I am giving in this if, elif, else ladder. We'll see the first choice. If user enter choice as 1, what is our first operation? That is length of a string. So to calculate length of a string, there is built-in function for string, that is len. Okay, just like on list we have performed the operations mean, max, sum. Likewise, for string, if you want to calculate how many number of characters are there inside a string, there is a predefined function len, and you have to pass the string variable where you have stored your string. So first I want to display this line, length of a string, then the function name is len, and I want to calculate the length of string which is stored inside the variable s. So this is my first function. Then elif choice equal to 2. What is the second option? Reverse. Okay, so now how to reverse the string? We have seen the slice operation. Slice is one of the operator which we can perform on list as well as the tuple. Slice is denoted by the square bracket. Slice is having three parameters which can be mentioned. First is the start, second is stop, and the next is step size. See, I have written it over here. S is my string on which I am going to perform the operation. On this S, I am performing the slice operation. So I mention this square bracket, starting square bracket and the end square bracket. Now what I said, that this slice operator has three parameters. All these three parameters are separated by the colon. So here this first empty part is the start point. Next to colon we have the second part, that is end point. Next to colon we have this -1 which is nothing but the step size. Now start means what? आपको आपकी स्ट्रिंग शुरू कहाँ से करनी है, स्टार्ट कहाँ से करनी है, सो दैट इज द स्टार्ट पॉइंट. एंड आपको रिवर्स कब तक करना है, किस पॉइंट तक करना है, किस एलिमेंट तक करना है, सो दैट इज द एंड पॉइंट. एंड जहाँ से आप शुरू कर रहे हो और जहाँ पे आप ख़त्म कर रहे हो, वहाँ आपको अपने एलिमेंट्स किस ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले करने हैं, 1 बाय 1 डिस्प्ले करने हैं, एक छोड़ के दूसरा डिस्प्ले करना है. सो दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द स्टेप साइज. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्प्ले कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ माई स्ट्रिंग in which position, as it is given रिवर्स मीन्स मुझे कहाँ से शुरुआत करनी है, फ्रॉम द लास्ट पॉइंट. तो स्टार्ट में क्या होगा, द एंड पॉइंट. स्टॉप में क्या होगा, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. एंड -1, वाई इट इज -1, वाई इट इज नॉट +1? If it is 1 only, it will start from the first position to the last position. I want in reverse order. और जब हम last position से शुरू करते हैं तो index कहाँ से start होती है, from the -1. That's why the step size is -1. Okay, you're getting? S is my string, slice operator, so square bracket. Three parameters are start point, end point, and the step size. Okay, as I don't know what string will be entered by user, I don't know the start point is 0, I don't know the end point is 7, 8, 9, 10. मुझे लेंथ नहीं पता ना string की क्या है, so I can keep this two values empty and I will just mention the step size as -1 so that the string will be get reverse from the last position to the first position.